Can you go show Babu how to roll some cookie dough?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm taking a little video.
Oh, taking a video about
Yeah.
Babu.
About Babu, yeah. Do you want to go help her?
Yeah.
Okay. Do a Clara and Babu movie?
I'm making some cookies.
Oh, yummy.
Yeah, you get cookies.
I love cookies. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I think it's by Babu's foot. No, right next to that blue knife next to Babu's foot. Do you see it? See it? Right there? Turn it the other way. Turn the top the other way. Turn the top the other way.
This way.
Turn it upside down.
No, this way.
Okay.
I can do it. A boy, oven.
Oh, you want to put those in the oven? Can we pretend the table's the oven, maybe? Let's pretend. Or maybe the chair, right here. Can you put it in this oven? There you go. Now we count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A birthday time!
That wasn't 10, that was 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 8. Birthday time!
Don't forget your gloves, it's very hot.
Oh, I didn't feel my gloves.
I think they're on the table in the living room.
No.
No, you don't want to? Okay.
It's over there. A cookie.
Those look delicious, thank you.
And one for me and one for Charlie. Oh, yum. Oh, yeah. You make them, Mommy? You make them? What's so cute? Look. Thanks. What's some dates? What's some dates? I want some jeeps. Open.
Okay, calm down, calm down. Calm down, calm down. It's okay, it's okay. I know. She doesn't know she's hurting. Come sit down, come sit down. No pulling hair, Babu. Give Clara an owie. She's okay. It's okay, Clara, it's okay. She didn't mean to. Okay? She didn't mean to. It's okay. She's just a baby. She didn't mean to, okay? Okay. Should we look in the food bin? What else is in there? Should we see?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Let's share.
Yeah.
Let's share. Babu, it's Clara's turn. Here, look. She's got her banana and her strawberry, and she's happy. Now it's Clara's turn. Look.
I hate this of you.
What's that?
A cake and a cook.
What's that long thing?
A cake and a cook.
A cake and a Coke?
And milk. Yeah, and milk. Good. Oh, done. Now I have a ouchie. 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 A ball for my leg.
Babu hurt your leg?
And my hair.
And your hair?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Ouchie.
She's a...
Ouchie, ouchie, ouchie. Ouchie. Ouchie.
Do you need a kiss?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Is that all better?
My knee.
On your knee?
Yeah.
Okay. Mwah. All better?
Yeah. Over.
Good.
Over on my knee. I taste you on my arm.
Casey hurt your arm. What happened when Casey hurt your arm?
A doctor signed the white and the doctor fixed my arm.
The doctor fixed your arm?
The white.
And it's all right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what did Mommy and Clara do afterwards? What did Mommy and Clara do? What did we go get to eat after you hurt your arm?
Get some ice cream.
We went to get some ice cream.
Two.